Okay, it's your turn. N-E and G-B-E, you're safe with 6,866 and 5,462 votes.
Yeah.
TV, Puffball and Eraser, you three are safe with 5,233, 5,140 and 4,796 votes respectively.
That's creative.
I ran out of ideas. Bottom two time, Fries and Tennis Ball, who will leave.
No, Fries. You're my only friend on this team. Tennis Ball, you must survive. I require a supportive and loyal team member.
Only one alliance stays safe today, and for both Cake and Steaks, the ball remains safe. Tennis Ball, with 4,788 votes, you are safe. Fries is out with 4,750 votes.
No! Puffball, activate the elimination prevention plan!
Nope, sorry.
Roar! Boo! Whoa! Scary!
Or he's scaring me! Give me some food and I'll give you some barf.